Happy 2026. Today we are looking at how to set very powerful intentions for 2026. Before I start, hello, my name is Kartika and you're watching Synchro Shakti. So here are the 5 parts of setting very powerful intentions. The first part is called releasing the past. So you're becoming an empty container. How do you do this? One process I can share with you is called the burning bowl, where you write out everything that you want to release and let go of and leave behind. You write it all down and then you burn it. When you're burning it, as the paper is burning, just say, I completely let this go. It is out of my life. It's out of my system. It is gone. It is over. It is burnt out. This is the first part. The second part is called the rebirth. Now you want to assume that you are born fresh. This is your first day on planet Earth. It's your first day in Earth, on life. If there is no past, and this is the very first day of your life, what would you then want to create? You wouldn't say, I don't want an abusive mother in law because there's no past. There is no mother in law. This is your first day on planet Earth. What would you now choose? If now you would choose a harmonious relationship with everybody, that's the intention you're setting. So it's very important to be reborn so that your desires don't come from the pain of the past. Your desires come from the peace of the present. Okay. So you can really create wonderful, magical things. So the second part is a rebirth. The third part is actually setting the intentions. What do I want to create for myself in 2026? What do I want to invite into my life? Write down as many things as I possibly can that I want to invite in my life and strengthen it. Strengthening a desire means you're asking yourself, why is this possible? Why am I worthy of it? You're also answering the question, what would I love about having it? You're also writing out all the beliefs and thoughts you have that support that this thing will happen in your experience. That is called strengthening a desire. So that's the third part, setting the intentions and strengthening those intentions. You can write these down, write beliefs, write things that you love about it, really feel the vibes of those intentions. The fourth part is surrender. Surrender is a state of being so sure that this is your destiny that I can now trust the universe to create it for me. I don't have to do the heavy lifting. You can do a surrender process and many beautiful surrender processes. You can also check the one on my channel. It's called the surrender process. Just type Synchro Shakti surrender. You'll find a video. You'll see, it's like you put the desires in the ball and you surrender it. You can do a surrender process so that your body is empty and relaxed to receive the insight, to receive the guidance, to receive the inspired actions to take. So you're not in survival mode, calculating your every move. You're relaxed and you're receiving guidance for your every move. So surrender is very important. And the fifth part is celebration. Celebrating the event before it's even happened. This energy signature celebration or even gratitude before something has happened is the vibration of receiving that thing that you're celebrating. So you can put on some music and you can dance as though you're on a New Year's party in December 31st, 2026, and you're celebrating what a wonderful year you've had, all the wonderful things that have happened, and you dance in the vibration. You are sending out that signal to receive those things. So this is the 5 parts. Many different processes can be done. I always recommend making your intention setting very special. So get a special book, get candles, get incense, get all of these things to put you in the right vibration. So this is the 5, and let me know if you're going to be doing this. If you want my help to do this, just for context, I'm in India right now. I came just to meet you guys and of course to meet my parents. This is my house in India. This is not an AI background. It is really a real life place. I know it looks perfect, but this is my house in India and I've come here just to meet you guys. And for that context, this intention setting we are doing live on the 1st of February in Bangalore city. So if you're not in Bangalore, don't be discouraged. Most of the people who come for meet and greets and our events in real life come from all around the world. So if you really want to be in the vibration and have the program with us, 4 hours of these transformational exercises, find out more information in the description. You'll find all that information about intention ceremony. There is also meet and greet happening. So sometimes maybe you don't want to do the whole 4 hours of intention setting with us. Maybe you just want to come and meet me and greet me and hug me so we can share this loving moment together. If you want to be part of the meet and greet, you can find out the same information in the description. So the meet and greet is also happening on the 1st of Feb. It's happening from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. You're going to have to be at the venue at 2:30 so that you can get up, finish your registration, and come and sit down and be seated so I can enter exactly at the designated time, which is 3 p.m. So 3 to 4:30 is meet and greet. There's going to be meeting, greeting, hugging, loving, pictures, also food I curated of specific menu for all of you, and a beautiful activity that we'll be doing with props. You can take the props home. It's going to be very magical. So that's the meet and greet segment. Very loving vibrations here. And then we have the second part, which is the intention ceremonies. That's happening from 5 o'clock, same day, 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That 4 hours is going to be the most divine 4 hours you've ever spent. If you're part of our Synchro Shakti energy, you know that our programs, products are imbued with a lot of love and a lot of insight and energy. This is what we're doing for 4 hours. There is this stages, but many deep processes to really fully embody each of these 5 stages. There's also songs, there is also declaration, there is also woohoo dance, there's a lot of meditative processes, written processes, rituals. Think candles, think a lot of magic, which I'm not going to disclose everything to you. Only those who are at the event will see the full magnitude of this event and the beauty of this experience. If you're being called to join us for intention setting ceremony, just find the information in the description. And I look forward to seeing you live on 1st of February. And if you have any other questions, you can just email us. I love you. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful part of my journey of my life all these years and 2026 also. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. And I'll see you live 1st of February. I love you. See you, everyone. Bye.